Just thought I'd make a quick video because these, I don't know what quite the technical name, it's like a deadbolt type lock. It doesn't have a key, it's just like a sliding lock. Usually these things have like a second metal part that's like a loop here, and they would loop around and then they would go on the door frame or wherever you put one of these things. I had these on some windows and I basically just replaced them and don't need these. But I threw out the other part and I decided to replace what they had. They had like a wood thing down here that spun around and kept getting causing problems. So it's got a magnet on these doors, but they don't always work that well. So my alternative, and I could have put like a loop here, but I was missing those. I could have put it sideways, put a loop here, but then I would have had to put wood here to get it out, spaced out. And basically what I did on the window is the same thing I did here. And I just took this, and if I open this, you'll see there's a hole. I drilled a hole in that 2x4 in the top of the bench. And then when I close this, I slide it up, it goes into the hole, flip it sideways, now it's locked. It's not really a security thing in this case, it's just more, just keeps these things closed and while you're working and the bench is shaking if you're grinding things or whatever. And these are that's where I keep tools and things, so I just don't want these flopping open, getting in the way or causing issues or dust flying in here. I can avoid it, so